Hey folks, welcome back. You know, I got a little treat here. I've been wanting to do this cook for a while. I got some, they're pork steaks. They're basically steaks cut from the pork shoulder or pork butt, as you might know them. And we're gonna get them over here on the Char-Griller Grand Champ and sear them up, pull them off, cook them up to where they're nice and tender, and then glaze them off. And I'm not gonna braise these like you would your St. Louis cut. We'll do that another time. But this one, we are gonna season them up real good and get them good and glazed. So guys, let's go inside, get them seasoned, and get them on the grill. This is beautiful. They're basically St. Louis cut pork steaks. They're only about, this is about 3/4 of an inch. The rest of them about 1/2 inch or so. I'd rather have them thicker, but we'll do that one down the road. So let's get these things seasoned up, guys. I'm just coming in here. You probably see me use this on steaks. This is the St. Elmo Steak Seasoning. I've used it on pork chops before. I'm gonna use it on these pork steaks as well, and that's all we're gonna use. It's gonna be a fairly fast cook. I'm not gonna use a binder. Just gonna get them good and seasoned up here with this. Alright guys, flip them over, get the other side, and I will see you outside at the pit. As I suspected, we're going to have a little bit of a grease fire from our last cook. Alright. As usual, we're going to set this up in our 2-zone fashion. We'll let that grease burn off a little bit. Bottom rack in. Get in there. Bring this on up to temp. We're going to go direct for just a few minutes on each side. Just as we can, I'm going to come in here and throw just one piece of apple wood on there, guys, just for a little smoke. We'll be back in just a few minutes. There you go, guys. Look at that. Hopefully you can see that real good. Just a couple minutes on this side. Then we're going to go indirect. Now we could probably eat these now. Let's go sear on that side. We're going to come over here and go indirect for just a little bit and see if we can't bring that up to temperature to about 195, 200 and break it down and make it good and tender. In the meantime, we're going to start glazing these guys off. Alright guys, I'm coming here and just give these guys a flip. We're going to do some quick temperatures checks. And then we're going to start glazing here. Oop, about lost a piece of fat there. It's hard to get some good camera angles on this grill. Get back here. Well, we might save you. Get some good temps. We got a little bit to go here. 130 set. Yeah, we got a little bit of ways to go. Come back here on you. That's a hot fire. 150. We got a little bit to go, but I'm gonna start glazing this, guys. We're gonna glaze this several times. You see me use that St. Elmo Steak Seasoning. Check this out, guys. This is St. Elmo's Root Beer Glaze. I've honestly never used this. It smells amazing, but that's what we're gonna glaze this thing off with. All right, to help me out, I'm going to pull this out a little bit. Here we go, guys. St. Elmo's Root Beer Glaze pork steaks, guys. We'll even glaze that little guy there. Alright guys, we'll come back in a minute and do it again. Alright guys, let's give these another flip. Spend about another 5-10 minutes. Things are looking great. We'll check some temps and we'll give this side a glaze. They're starting to feel tender, but we got a little ways to go. 145. Stay off the bone. Yeah, we got a little ways to go. Without blocking your view, this is about the only camera view I can get over here. Alright guys, I'm not going to bore you with this every time. I'm going to keep doing this until we get up to the temperature I want. I'll bring you back when we're getting ready to pull them inside. Alright guys, full disclosure, just to speed this up, I put in my top rack and I went these more direct just to speed this cook up a little bit because everyone's getting hungry. But 177, 78, I did just turn them. That is so hot. 182, we're almost there, guys. I'm gonna glaze these one more time. Next time you see me, I'll be pulling these off. In the 190 range, I'm calling this, guys. 195, depending on where you stick it. Yeah, these guys are done. I'm gonna pull these inside. And we're gonna give this a taste test. Alright guys, here's that beautiful, I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Beautiful pork steak right there. Alright guys, I don't remember where that bone went in this particular slice, but it should be super tender. Come in here and just get a few slices off this. Pretty tender as far as cutting. Not really a smoke ring, but I didn't put much smoke on that, guys. Let's get a taste of that. Alright guys, look at that. That is so good, looks so good. I've already got approval from my family back here. Pretty tender. There, you know, I look at that, there is a little bit of a smoke ring in there. We let this go. I anticipated this to be about a 30 to 40 minute cook. It took an hour. But I was filming too. Anytime you film, it does take longer. So about 30 to 40 minutes probably, if you're not filming. Let's get another bite. Definitely do this again. Tell you what, that St. Elmo's, that root beer glaze, I'll definitely be using more of it. I've never used this before. Yeah, I've used the steak seasoning quite a bit. You've probably seen me do it on some steak cooks around here or some pork chop cooks. Very good, but I seen this and just had to give it a try. It is delicious. If you don't know, I've obviously never been there. I think it's in Indianapolis. Could be mistaken. But St. Elmo's Steakhouse, they say world famous. I know they got some good products, some good seasoning. So guys, thank you as always. I'm gonna wrap this up and I'm gonna fill up my plate with some vegetables and go over and finish eating with my family. So guys, thank you as always. I appreciate you joining me every week. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like what you see, hit that bell. It'll trigger you every time I make a new video. So guys, thank you as always, and I'll see you on the next cook. God bless you. Bye-bye.